Winter has already begun and now it's a time to try something healthy and energetic. If you take even one bite of this, you will feel warmth plus energy combo all day long. So let's make healthy energy bites made with dry fruits which are super tasty and winter perfect. So to make these healthy energy bites in a mixture jar, we will take half a cup of almonds, half a cup of cashews, half a cup of roasted peanuts, and 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. You can also use any dry fruits of your choice. Now grind them on pulse mode and prepare a coarse powder. Don't make a fine powder at all. Now add 1 cup of ghee in a pan and 1 cup of jaggery. Now keep the stove flame on very low and cook while mixing ghee and jaggery nicely together. We have to cook the jaggery only until light bubbles start appearing like this. As soon as small bubbles appear, turn off the flame. Now we will add 3 tablespoons of fine dried coconut powder, 4 figs cut into small pieces like this, 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds and 1 teaspoon of grated nutmeg. Now add the dry fruit powder we had prepared earlier into the pan as well. Once again turn on the stove and keeping the flame completely low, mix all the dry fruits well with ghee and jaggery and roast for about 20 to 30 seconds. Remember, don't overcook the jaggery, just cook it enough so that once it cool down, everything binds together nicely. Now turn off the flame. Next, transfer this batter. Here I have already greased the plate well with ghee. You can also grease it with oil if you want. Now transfer all the batter into this plate. While the batter is still hot, spread it evenly with the help of spoon or spatula and tap it gently to set it properly in the plate. Spread it nicely and evenly from all sides and leave it to cool for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, when it cools down completely, cut it into pieces and get them ready. Here I am dividing them into medium sized pieces, but you can cut them as big or small as you prefer. After dividing all the pieces, you can garnish them with your favorite dry fruits. So here I am garnishing these pieces with cashews and almonds. So look, within just a few minutes our winter special healthy delight is ready. Each bite is full of taste, energy and the magic of immunity boost. So you too must try this recipe soon and comment below how you liked it. If you enjoyed the recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.